It's air-to-ground missile. He aimed on sight with the rockets.
Doing a bunch of computers make it happen.
Yeah, this plane has 3 flight.
But can you put a Humvee in an Osprey?
A Humvee's a little bit too wide. The Marine Corps has M-Razors, which are like our go-karts. So those fit in there nicely. There's 4-seat and 2-seat M-Razor versions that can drive right in the back with a couple Marines, and they can just drive right out if we land and be on the way.
I talked earlier today about sensor fusion, combining the radar